So hi friends, welcome to today's video. Today I will be having two questions for you as a challenge. Let's see if you can solve these questions in just 5 seconds without calculator and without pen or paper. So pause this video for 5 seconds and solve this question. The question is 5 plus 5 times 5 minus 5. And let's see what will be your answer, 45, 0 or 25. So I hope you have all tried this question. So let's solve this question. So for solving this question we will use PEMDAS. PEMDAS means parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Okay. So here multiplication, division are having same priority and addition and subtraction have same priority. So let's see, but if we have multiplication, division or addition and subtraction multiple times in the same expression, then we have to solve them from left to right. Okay, we will solve them from left to right. So in this video the question is 5 plus 5 times 5 minus 5. So according to PEMDAS, we have to solve this multiplication first. So it will become 5 plus 5 times 5 is 25 minus 5. Now addition and subtraction are in the same expression, so we will solve from left to right. So we'll solve this first and this first. It will become 30 minus 5, which will become 25. So our correct answer will be 25. So let's start with the second challenge. The question is 12 divides 2 times 3. 12 divided by 2 times 3 and the options are 18, 2 or 12. So let's see how many of you can solve this. Just pause this video and try to solve this in just 5 seconds without pen or paper and without any calculator. So I hope you all have tried to solve this and many of you will get the answer. Let's see if you have got the correct answer or not. So let's solve this question. So again we solve this using PEMDAS. So according to PEMDAS, we have division and multiplication in the same line. So we'll solve it from left to right. So we'll solve the division first, then multiplication. Many people do it in the wrong way. They multiply first and then divide and they will get the wrong answer. So if we divide first and multiply later, we'll solve this in the right way. So let's start. 12 divides 2 times 3. So it will be 12 divided by 2 is 6 times 3 and 6 times 3 is 18. So our answer is 18 and 18 is the correct answer. If you all get the 18 as your correct answer, then it is good. Otherwise you have to work hard on this PEMDAS. The key concept here is only and only is PEMDAS. PEMDAS means parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, where multiplication and division are having same priority and addition and subtraction are having same priority. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more maths concepts, tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.